Hello, my physician and clinician colleague. Hello, my professional meeting planner friend. I am so glad that I can speak with you today because if you're curious about what a Splendid Work Workshop is, let me tell you, Splendid Work Workshops help you as a job-stressed physician or clinician get the clarity and the power you need to make decisions about your job in the privacy of your own home, at your own pace, and on your own time. You're busy and it's challenging to attend a live event. So I've designed these on-demand workshops to be not only impactful, but actionable. Because after watching a workshop, you will have an action step or two or three or more so that you can create the changes that you want and need to. And if you're a professional meeting planner, I've got to let you know that these workshops are not your typical burnout content. I don't speak much about meditation or resilience, as wonderful as those things can be for people. No, my mission is twofold. First, on getting clarity, getting a real clear assessment of where a physician or clinician is with their work and what they want from their work. Secondly, I am all about translating that clarity into decisions about their work, which honor them. That personal power makes them healthier physicians or healthier in different work if desired. Clarity and power are transformative and we need them. Now you can see there are a number of workshops to choose from, so take a look around, see what meets your needs. And if you have topics you'd like addressed that you don't see here, just let me know. Please feel free to reach out for any questions, and I really look forward to talking with you and to virtually talking with you at the next Splendid Work Workshop. Have a wonderful day.